All right. So you and I need to talk. I've stated over many previous newsletters about the fact that one of the ultimate indicators that we are in a peak, both for land and equity markets, is that as a society, we are absolutely all in. I'm talking about completely tapped out for credit. You can't get any more credit cards. The banks won't refinance or give you new mortgages. And all your savings are invested in your favorite stock or crypto, whatever the case may be. So, my thoughts have always been, how useful would it be, both for yourself and our Property Sharemarket Economics family, to be able to identify the one singular asset that may be responsible for getting us all in. Now, I think now's a timely point in the cycle to review this because the peak is now not far away. So, is it possible? Is it feasible that in fact we may have found our culprit in tokenized stock exchanges? So basically what we're looking at is here the world's most biggest famous private companies, thinking like SpaceX or OpenAI, companies that aren't currently listed on traditional stock exchanges, and yet through these specific token exchanges you can now share and own part of some of the most successful private companies. It begs the question, is this the end of the stock market? Do you need it? Why would companies like this issue stocks if, in fact, they're able to fractionalize and tokenize themselves as a private entity in order to gain that important capital to continue their business growth? And what does it say about where we are within the cycle? Is this a true turning point? Is this truly how we go all in? And if that's true, then how does it end? So, some big questions, yeah? Some big macro points of views that I've made, and that's what I've detailed in this week's newsletter. Now, if that sort of big view interests you, please, below the video in the description box, there's a link. Please click, read, and enjoy this week's newsletter. And also, please, subscribe and like the video. You know how the algorithms like that. We've got certain exchanges trumpeting to the world that 2025 will be the year of the tokenized stocks. Now, we'll have to see about that. Arguably, this might have come a little bit too late, but who knows? These things really do happen quickly. But they speak to a larger truth, and it's this. The history of the real estate cycle tells me at this particular point in time, over every preceding real estate cycle, and this one looks like it won't be any different either, there is a financial innovation that really does assist in pushing us all in, right up to the peak. Now, if this is the innovation that we're talking about, you have to ask the question, is this really what we want? Are there legal hurdles or other things that may preclude us from really taking advantage of these types of offers? We'll have to see. It's a brand new space, but it's a fast moving space. And frankly, I think the timing of it right now, there is no coincidence. So please, again, read the newsletter. I hope you get something out of it. I hope it gets the gears in your mind thinking about what the possible outcomes are. It could be the end of the stock market. We just don't know. But if this thing takes off, I mean, what a way to bring in the final peak for this cycle. All right, well, that's all from me, and I will see you all here again next week as usual. See you later.